Okay, so now I'll talk a little bit about the cross-origin security. One of the methods of ensuring cross-origin security, meaning that we won't be able to support calls from other domains. This doesn't really work if you're trying to call from different domains JavaScript to the data of a different domain. It doesn't work. So in order to accommodate this, we have a couple of options. One of the options is JSONP, and the other one is a cross-origin resource sharing course. So first we'll cover a little bit of a JSONP. So basically what JSONP does is it wraps our JSON response in a JavaScript code, so that when we're calling this, receiving this data, it thinks it's just a JavaScript file. It doesn't really know that it's a JSON. And the way we do this is we enable this in our Web API config. We add support for JSONP, and we do that through one of these JSON media type formatters. So we'll say var formatter is equal to new JSON media type formatter, and then we use config formatters insert, and we insert it right at 0. So config formatters and insert right at 0. In order to use the JSON media type formatter, we need to install Web API contrib formatting JSONP from NuGet packages. So to see this in action in our fiddler, we can go ahead and make a call to our foods controller, and then we'll also add a query string callback equals to foo. So this will actually work with our newly added formatter here to automatically format our return. So when we execute this, we'll see that we're getting back now this foo function, which is a JavaScript function. So using this, we are actually able to kind of mask our response, JSON response, into this JavaScript function, and therefore we are able to get it from a different domain. And if you want to change, another just quick thing, if you want to change the name of our query, we can change it right here at the where we assign our formatter in a Web API config with the second parameter, and then here in a fiddler we can change our parameter from callback to CB, and it should still work the same. I have to build it first and then run it, and here it comes again. We're getting it, our function foo. So that's in a nutshell how we use JSONP. Next I'll cover using course.